I know you can't see anything, too dark, but there's three sounds I'd like to point out. That whirring, that's a certain kind of frog. The sound of that rushing water going between the pond and here. And the peeping sound. Those are spring peepers. They used to be in a din, they were just so loud. But since I've converted swamp-like ground into irrigated pasture, they're more balanced, is what I say. They're not gone. There just aren't as many of them. The thing with the frogs is you can't let their world dry up, not even for an hour or two in the sun, because the frog's eggs will die. They end up looking like little black grains of rice when that happens. So the water's got to be continually there and reasonably oxygen rich, I think, which means it has to be flowing.